During our recent stay at the Anaheim Marriott, we paid for a pool view room, but at check-in we were offered an upgrade to a deluxe corner suite. But was it really an upgrade? Stick around to find out. Hey everyone, this is Julia from Honest Hotel Reviews, and today I'm at the Anaheim Marriott doing a tour and comparison of the deluxe corner suite and the pool view room. This video is not sponsored, so if you find it helpful, please show us some support. Give us a like, leave a comment, or subscribe, and let our conscience be your guide. In the fall of 2019, we booked a last-minute stay at the Anaheim Marriott, and because we managed to get a fantastic deal, I decided to pay a little extra to upgrade to a pool view room. This was my first time staying at this hotel, but I knew it had recently been renovated, and after reading some reviews, I wanted to make sure we had a balcony and that we weren't in the Oasis Tower, just because of the amount of negative reviews I'd read on TripAdvisor. When we arrived at the check-in desk, the lady offered us an upgrade. She said, "We have a pool view room available for you on the 6th floor, or we could move you up to a deluxe corner suite on the 10th floor. We asked if it was an upgrade, and she said, "Well, it's a much bigger room." Her reluctance to state that it was an upgrade probably should have been our cue to decline, but the idea of a corner suite sounded so much better in our heads. So let's take a look at this corner suite first. When we walked in, we were a little underwhelmed. When I hear corner suite, I was expecting much more than a standard room. These rooms have been recently updated to include hardwood floors, new furniture, bedding, and decor, and an updated bathroom. The bathroom in this room was notably bigger, however, the vanity and countertop space was smaller. There were tons of outlets at the bedside for charging your devices. Technically, this room is slightly larger, but it was nothing special and had all the standard amenities of all the other hotel rooms, which include a safe, mini fridge, coffee maker, ironing board, 2 small chairs, and some small toiletries, plus a full-sized hairdryer in the bathroom. One nice feature in all the rooms is the TVs allow you to log in to some of your favorite streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube. One thing that's not standard in all the rooms is the balcony. The Oasis Tower rooms don't have balconies. When we opened the balcony door to this room, we were hit by a wave of heat and noise coming from the fans on top of the hotel's convention center. So sure, this room had some extra square footage and was on a corner, but it wasn't an upgrade. We quickly decided to call down to the front desk to ask to be moved to the room we originally paid for, and thankfully they agreed without protest. Now let's take a look at the pool view room, which we preferred more in general. However, it wasn't as clean as the other room. Both the bathroom and the room itself was smaller, but the layout was better. It actually allowed enough space for a small couch, which was awesome. Some other notable differences were the door to the adjoining room, a full-length mirror, and there's also a fun view of the pool, which gave the room a little more life. It definitely wasn't as private, but Ben and I are pool people, and this is much more our style. All of the other amenities in the rooms were the same. Here are some other things to note about our stay. The bed is so comfortable. I rarely get excited about hotel beds, but this bed was in the top 25% of hotel beds for me. The shower pressure wasn't great, but that's pretty standard for Anaheim. With the low pressure though, it can sometimes feel difficult to get your hair totally clean. I always make sure to bring my own shampoo and conditioner, and I'm thankful I did here because although they offer high quality products, the quantity leaves something to be desired. Remember how I mentioned this pool view room wasn't as clean? Well, there was a candy wrapper under the bed, and someone had lost underwear behind the bench. We dared not touch it, so if you happen to get room 631, let us know if it's still there. Another thing to note is Wi-Fi here isn't free. All in all, we gave the rooms at the Anaheim Marriott a 3.4 out of 5. For more information on the Anaheim Marriott, check out our full hotel tour and review. If you're considering other hotels in the Disneyland area, we post new videos every week. Head over to our YouTube channel or check us out at honesthotelreviews.com for more hotel recommendations and travel tips. I'm Julia, and this has been another Honest Hotel Review.